The cost of energy is rising, and saving energy not only helps your budget, but the environment as well. BMZ has created a product that can be easily installed to a residential or commercial facility. Residential customers can see a 15% savings, while a commercial customer can see anywhere from 18% to 65% savings on their power bill.
Your typical house, couple teenagers, pool pump, washer, dryer, stove, HVAC, you're running around 30 amps. With a PFC unit, you should be able to bring that down near 25 amps. Savings, probably $400 or $500 a year.
What we're seeing in the commercial installations that we've done is just incredible. Some of our larger users, we're seeing gas stations and convenience stores that we've saved them a lot of energy.
When I save a company $4,000 or $5,000 a month in electricity costs, that's bottom line income. The Pay-for Savings Plan for a commercial business allows us to provide the equipment into their facility to reduce their electrical expenses. We ask them for nominal costs up front relative to the total cost, and then we share in the savings that they receive each month.
In some cases, 35, 40, 45%. So it really varies. And that's why it's so important for us to come out and really evaluate it and do an audit.
Our power factor correction system works because we precisely measure and balance the electrical panel's load so that the corrected current is distributed to machines and appliances, optimizing and rebalancing the incoming electricity and eliminating the wasted energy that you're paying for.
When you have power that comes in, it's a single phase has 2 lines of power, 3 phase has 3 lines of power. And that power comes in different loads. If that load isn't relatively equitable, you are only going to get use of the lowest load, but you're going to pay a rate based on the highest load.
How it works is that it's placed in the home, and it's a conduit between the electrical grid and their panel box.
BMZPowerFactor box gives you something else. Your motor runs efficient, runs cooler, and also it's a fantastic surge protector.
BMZ has provided custom energy equipment and service for 3 decades. We customize our power factor to the customer's load requirements using our patent-pending audit test toolbox.
The toolbox is the key. Toolbox is what we do as doctors of electricity. We analyze the load, and this is where the other companies fail. They don't actually analyze what is going on and what the corrective procedure should be.
Draws around 14 amps. First set of capacitors, and goes down to about 12. We put the second set of capacitors in parallel. We bring it down to 9, about 8 to 9 amps. We put the third set of capacitors, bring us between 2 to 2.1, 2.2 amps, okay, for each line. If we want to put another capacitor, set of capacitors, we're going to overdo it. Instead of leading, they're lagging. Then you're saving on both ends, on starting and also on the load, on the normal load.
A lot of us in life now have been loyal to an old idea. That old idea happens to be the career we might have had for the last 20 years.
You can get involved in a personally designed business around the BMZ energy systems. This program can result in significant weekly income to a licensed distributor.
This business can be duplicated. HVAC companies, electrical contractors can utilize the PFC units manufactured by BMZ to garner new relationships. They can save people money, and now they have a friend for life.
Energy is where the future is.
BMZ Generators and Energy Systems, creating free energy for people and the world.